Please don't pop, please don't pop, please don't. Alright, Ugali, come off. Abracadabra. Eat the food that my ancestors ate. The only reason why I made ugali is for the chip part. I don't know what they call it, but I'm back with another video, another cooking video. So a few weeks ago, my parents came to visit me in New York and they left me some ugali flour. Like, they brought me ugali flour from home. So I was like, I'm definitely gonna have to make a video when I am cooking it, because anything for content, right? So I've never really made ugali before. Yeah, I've never made ugali. I've made uji, porridge, like the brown flour. I love porridge, oh my goodness. I drink that every time when I'm home, like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But ugali, on the other hand, I don't know how to make. It kind of scares me because you have to have like arm strength. Although I am built like I'm not built like anything but a twig, but you just need strength in order to mix it. And I come from a big family, so whenever my parents made ugali, it was a big old pot and you could see them going to work. So it was like, yeah, I'm not ever doing that. I'm never making ugali, like what? But there are times when people make ugali in small pots, you know? Like when we order food and American food is not enough for my parents, so they make a little pot of ugali to satisfy themselves. So it's possible. I'm like, I can make ugali just with a smaller pot. So today, oh my gosh, y'all probably don't even know what ugali is. Ugali is like, people like to say it's like fufu, but fufu is literally made out of plantains, like the banana plantain thing. Ugali is made out of corn flour, maize, corn maize. So they're kind of different, very different, but we eat it the same way with like stew or greens. Traditionally, you eat it with your hands. You just like pick it off. I'll show y'all once I make it. Hopefully I make it correctly. But yeah, because my parents, wait, this is cute. Why is this not in the shot? There we go. I asked for ugali flour and uji because I want to get back to my roots. Like, I've been speaking Kenyan on my socials if you want to get on my social media. Been reading the Kenyan Bible, Bukut Natilil. So another thing to get back into my roots is to eat the food that my ancestors ate, which is ugali. So to heal my inner child, to heal myself in this journey that I'm in, I'm gonna make ugali tonight. It's 7:35. Oh my gosh, I'm so blind. I'm like, it better not say 55. I'm gonna make ugali. It's a traditional dish in Kenya that is made out of corn maize, and you eat with greens, and I like eating it with beans, chicken stew. Oh my gosh, people eat it with goat stew, nyama choma, whatever you want to call it, but I don't eat goat or cow, unfortunately. Maybe one day, but in this season of my life, no. Join me and watch as I succeed, because I'm going to speak it into existence, as I succeed in making ugali, or kimyet, as my Kenyan say. On good job, kimyet. Yay! So I have a pan or a pot here. I'm gonna fill it up with water. I don't know how much water we're supposed to use because my parents did like eyeballed it. So I'm gonna boil water up to like half the pot. So let's do that. Okay, water is in the pot. Now we're gonna let this boil. Yay. Should I play a Kenyan song while I cook? I hope I don't get copyright with that. I know exactly which one I'm thinking, but that's gonna be so embarrassing. So like out of, what's it called? I will get back to you guys when my water is boiled. Alright, water is boiled. You're gonna need a whisk. Oh my gosh, do I have a whisk? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have a whisk. Are you kidding me right now, bro? How do I not have a whisk? Yo, that's crazy. I tripping or we don't have a whisk? So this is what I found. I'm pretty sure this isn't a whisk. But this is all I found, so this is what I'm gonna use. Alright, so we have a whisk and a whatever this wooden stick thing is. Alright, so I'm gonna use this and my whisk and add in some ugali. I hate this part because it bubbles, y'all. It freaking bubbles, like, oh shoot, not bubbles, but like it pops. I don't want it to pop. Oh my gosh. Okay, mix and pour. Y'all, if it starts popping, I'm gonna scream. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no, I'm not doing it right. It's gonna pop, yo. I'm gonna scream. Okay, mix. Another. Oh god. Okay, please don't pop. Lord, don't let it pop, please. Oh no. I know you just have to keep mixing it and it won't pop. Please don't pop. Please don't pop. Please don't pop. Oh my gosh. Keep mixing. Oh my gosh, I just made a huge mess on the ground. It's about to start popping. And it's popping. Oh my god. Ah! Oh no! Don't pop, bro. That's just gonna burn and hurt. Okay. I think I added enough flour for it not to pop. This is not a whisk. I don't know what I used. Hopefully my neighbors didn't hear me scream like that. That was kind of insane. Okay. We're gonna go with this. Bro, what do I do now? They just be mixing it. Oh no, it's heavy. It's so heavy. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna mix. Pretty sure it's like this. Flatten it. Look, I'm a lefty, so this is probably like, y'all probably like, what the heck is she doing? But okay. Gonna hold it like that. Make sure there's no holes. Let that cook. And then for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it around and stuff so that the other side cooks. I think that's what you do. Let it cook on this side, and then I will mix it so that the inside also cooks, okay? Don't think I'm not letting the inside cook. It's gonna cook. I will mix it up and stuff. But for now, we'll just go like that. I don't know. I'm assuming that's what you do. Oh no. This is not what I'm supposed to do. God, I fudged it up. Parents ain't around enough. I don't know. It looks like actual ugali though, so don't clown me, please. Something just popped on my freaking leg. Ow, that hurt. How do y'all do it? Ugh. Alright, Ugali, come off. Abracadabra, come off. Abracadabra. Oh my gosh. Ready for this? Come on. Oh shoot, what's going on? Oh dang. Bro, but why did the whole thing come off? This is supposed to stay on the pot. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Oh my gosh. The shell part was supposed to stay on the pan. I'm literally gonna remove it and put it on the pan. Hot. Hot. Ooh. That looks so good. All right. Honestly, the only reason why I made ugali is for the chip part. I don't know what they call it, but at least I know this part's cooked. We don't want no undercooked ugali. Oh, break a tooth. I hope this one doesn't fall like my grilled cheese. Okay, ugali. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. I made ugali, you guys. Younger me is screaming right now, like, what, Melody? You made ugali. I'm playing too much, it's gonna fall, but ugali, you guys, this is ugali. I need to call my mom. I want to get their reaction. Oh my gosh, heck yeah. Okay, let me call them. Perfect, you're home. Are you with Dad? Is Dad there? Perfect, I have a surprise for you guys. Ready? Ready? Oh my gosh. Ah! I didn't, so I'm recording it, so you guys will see it in a few weeks. But I made ugali!
That's good.
Yes!
Congratulations.
Who's gonna eat with me?
With Ruben. I'll take you off and Ruben.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes! Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh! Okay, I'm gonna enjoy it. Bye! Now your favorite part, Melody eating! Yay! Alright, thank you so much for joining me for dinner. I'm talking to no one because no one eats dinner with me. If you'd like to come join me for dinner, please come over. So we have ugali, we have sukuma, and we have maragwe, I think. Ugali, spinach, and beans. So, gonna cut my ugali like it's cake. Honestly, someone would probably eat this whole thing by themselves, but Melody does not do that. There's my ugali. Ooh. Okay. And now I'm gonna serve my greens. Y'all, this feels so like I'm dreaming right now because I've never made ugali in my life. Am I really getting old? I can't blame my age for why I don't make ugali. Like, I have no excuse now. And the beans. Meat will probably be better. For those that want to try ugali, don't try it with beans. Oh wait, pray. Definitely have to pray before your meals. Lord, I pray that you bless this food and I eat. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Alright, let's dig in. First bite. It's hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I'll do it with the greens. Alright, first bite. Let's go. So good. It's so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My body is like regenerating now that I'm eating real food. How do you eat beans with your hands, bro? And this is all hot. This all just came out of the freaking pot. Fudge. I haven't eaten real food, as in like Kenyan food, in so long. piece for good measure. Left no crumbs. Devoured. Alright, you guys. It definitely doesn't taste like my parents' ugali. Obviously, because I made it, not them. But it's edible. And it tasted like ugali. So now I have... Should I pack this for work? Imagine pulling up to work with ugali. I've taken ugali to school one time for lunch. High school. And I'll do it again. I don't care. I have to end this with some tea. Should I make some tea for good measure? No, that's gonna mess up my stomach. Let me just drink some water. And then I'll be good. Growing up, I ate ugali and drank milk with it. But I don't drink cow's milk anymore for some reason. Even though I eat yogurt and ice cream and sometimes pizza. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It's pretty much my bedtime, so this is fun and I'm so proud of myself for being able to do that. I want you guys to do something that you guys have never done before. Try something, check something off your bucket list. Because I've been doing that. It's April and everything I've planned to do and planned to try has been getting checked off my list by the grace of God. But yeah, I made ugali. Imagine! Now whenever I go home, my parents are going to expect me to make ugali. Shoot. Maybe I shouldn't have told them I made it. No, because they still make my uji for me. My porridge when I go home. But yeah, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. My ugali is finished and I made it and I did it correctly. Woo -woo. Comment below what you guys want me to make. Y'all don't even be commenting for real. Like, I know certain people that be commenting on my videos, but others, a whole bunch of others, like 90% of y'all don't be commenting. So even if I say comment below what you want me to cook next, y'all probably not going to do that. But it doesn't hurt to try. Comment below what you want me to make next. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Make ugali and send it to me on Instagram. I would love to see that. But hope y'all enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Watch all my other videos like I always say. There's many to come. But y'all gotta catch up if y'all haven't watched the other ones. Love you guys. Hey, I made ugali.